14th of October, Rabbi Furst, Pierke Avos. I'm here.
Hi, good morning. Good morning, Yom Tov.
Morning.
Okay. I think you got a document for me yesterday.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah,
Okay.
right back. You paid money from the okay, whatever.
Okay, sorry about that.
My wife's been pointing out to me that the word Hamas comes up in the liturgy a few times. And it seems to be juxtaposed to statements about lying and falsehood.
All right.
Just an interesting observation.
No, it's a puzzle. It's brought down in Tanakh. The word's brought down in Tanakh, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah.
Oh, yeah? Hamas?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah. Nothing new under the sun. Don't worry about
That's right. Heard that before.
it. I can believe it. Okay. Let's see. Let's put this document on. Here we are. We need to share. Okay, these are some interesting in halachas about the sukkahs, meaning and such. Okay, I think this will be very good for us to learn. Okay, yeah. If you like, any volunteers to read?
I do.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. Hashuki Hamad Sukkah Daf Lamed Zion Amud Aleph. This is Gemara Sukkah.
Yeah, this is based on the Gemara Sukkah Daf Lamed Zayin Amud Aleph. Right.
Esrog Shekasav Alav Hakadosh Hakadusha La'aviv. And Esrog, it's written about it. Bye. Bye. Have a good day, Judy. It's written about it that it's holy to the Father.
He mukdash, meaning it's from like a person makes hektish, so he's setting it aside for his father. It's set aside for his father.
Ah, Shaila, the question is, Maaseh Ba'am Haaretz Shekina Esrog La'aviv. The question is,
Right? There was a Maisa, there was an occurrence, Amarth, in an uneducated Jew. Shekoina Esrog La'aviv. He bought an Esrog for his father.
V'kasav ha'chasam alav es shemo. And it's written, what is chasam?
Like on Yom Kippur, it was Kosev is written and Chosam is sealed, right?
Oh, right. It's written and sealed concerning him, his name. But that the father is the one that owns the esrog?
That's right. He wants to people. He engraved his father's name on the esrog. No, no one else would use it.
Ah, I see. La'achar Sharia Ha'av Sharo'eh Ha'av Es Disha No'eh Shel Bono. And afterwards, the father saw that the son had dedicated the etrog.
Right. After he saw the nice dedication, right, of his son,
V'shalo pasol es ha'etrog. And the he didn't want him to puzzle the etrog.
no, he says V'shalo puzzle. Has it not puzzled the esrog? Meaning, after the father saw the nice dedication that the son wrote on the esrog, he was wondering, did this not puzzle the esrog?
I see. Nis tafak ha'av. What's nis tafak?
From the word suffix, nistapik ha'avi, the father was in doubt.
Ah, doubt. Father wasn't sure. He was wondering, is it puzzle? Ha'aim ha'esrog kasher lich tachila lichatchila the mitzvah. He was in doubt if the etrog was kosher.
It was possible, I know, because Allah, it should be clean on the top. It's on the problem. But it's nice. It's
Nice thing. Yes, that's nice. It's only one marketing. Yeah. Is it punch?
No. So the question is now, is that esrog kosher ideally to use for the mitzvah, right? Or maybe he should, better yet, get another one. Maybe he should get himself another esrog. His son took a Dremel tool and he engraved his father's name on the esrog.
Those Dremels are really good.
Yeah.
או שלכתחילה לטעול אסרוג של אחר. Or perhaps, in the best case, he should get another esrog.
Yeah.
What's,
Maybe you should go ahead and make it.
what's he?
Now that he's got the, we'll have to see what's the problems with the esrog. He's got the father has his name engraved on the esrog. So what problems could this cause to the esrog?
Well, it could damage the image of pre-Hadar, the beauty of the etrog.
Yeah, because it may have made it less than muhudar, correct?
What is the word yitol?
Take.
Lito is to take another esrog.
Okay. Ruba, the answer. B'kayin shaila zu nis tafek b'shavas leiv.
Shiloh Teshuva, I think.
Right, Shilas and Shuvas Leiv Chaim.
Okay, so that's a book.
Yeah, that's right, correct.
And what is nistapek?
Is it doubt? In this similar to this question is the question which is raised in the Shilas and Shuvas of the Leiv Chaim.
The Kasav, and it's written, Nishalti Bechazivan Laila B'mei Shekasav Sham Reuven V'chin Viv V'chan Viv Be'esrog Salo. Right? It's written, Nishalti, as I asked.
Nishalti, I think it was asked of me.
Was asked of me, and what is B'chazivan?
Chazin Laila. I'm not sure what it means exactly, but Chazin Laila. Sort of in I'm not sure if it means in the middle of the night. I'm not sure. Bechazin Laila. Bechazoin. Well, maybe that could be another sefer, maybe. It's another sefer.
Oh.
So it was asked in this sefer. The May is in the days.
No, b'mi, from someone.
From someone. Shekasav Sham, that it's written there. Reuven. Vikin Vav. Be'esrog Shalo. What's Keen Vav?
Nicknames. He V'misha kasav shem Ruvain u'kinyanav be'esrog shelo, that a person wrote the name Ruvain and his other nicknames be'esrog shelo. Man, Kinyav could maybe even referring to his last name. It's a possible in Iyuv. This expression, chezoin laila. What's this spelled? Huh. 1 second. It may be a chazin lamed yimel. That expression chazin laila comes up in Iyuv. Interesting. Iyuv lamed yimel. Gimel. Yes, yeah. Okay, fine. Good. Okay. Yeah. Right. So it was there was a question that was asked about a person who had written the name Ruvain and on the esrog, on his esrog.
Today, Shalo Yischalaf, in order that he would not lose it?
Then it shouldn't be mixed up with others, meaning this one will be identified. You won't mix his esrog up with someone else's esrog.
Uba ha-esrog bayom tov liad Ruvain. And the esrog came on Yom Tov in the hand of Ruvain. V'ro'eh chasov shemo, and he saw that his name was written on it. Uki Navav, and his nickname Al Gabe HaEsrog. V'sha'al Aleph. And the question 1, Im Mutar Likchaso Ulevaracha Alav B'yom Rishon. Is it permissible? Likrato is what? To shake it?
Right. First of all, is it mutter to take this
Take
esrog?
the lulav and shake it, and to bless on it on the first day.
Right.
Bet. Question 2. In mutar the machko I don't know ayin yud.
Is it permissible to erase it through using a goy?
Using a goy?
Right.
Al yidei, through the action of a goy.
Right.
Is it permissible to erase to ask a goy to erase the name? Gimel, third question. Kisher hamechika oseh rosham al gabe ha-esrog. What is this word? Kisher mechika.
When it will be erased.
When it will be erased, can he make a head on?
When it's becoming erased, it's going to leave Rishum an impression on the esrog. Right? It's going to the erasing of the name will leave a impression on the esrog.
Machmas dochak hakol mos be'esrog v'na'a shah chaser v'nifsal. Because what is dochak?
Because of the pressure of the kumas of the that's these, I guess, a stylus. That's a stylus.
On the esrog, and it makes chasar is a diminution.
That it becomes chaser because with the pressure created by the stylus in erasing the name on the esrog, it becomes chaser, becomes lacking and puzzle and invalid.
Okay, so there's three questions here. First question is it permissible to take and bless the esrog on the first day? Is it permissible to ask a non-Jew to erase the writing? And if the writing is erased, leaving an impression on the esrog due to the pressure of the stylus, is it lacking and therefore invalid? Correct?
Good. Okay, that's the question.
Okay,
Three questions.
those are three questions.
Wow.
והנה, לגבי השאלה הראשונה, אם מותר לקחתו. We see concerning the first question, if it's permissible to take, kasab sham lidon im yesh bo mishum bal tosef. It's written over there. What is lidon?
That to judge this case, to judge this situation.
To judge if there is in it a reason bal tosif is to add on to it.
Yeah, Mishum Baal Tosif, right. Have to see what it says.
Vahavi, I don't know this abbreviation. Shebeshavah. It's a reference.
This is a Shulchan Aruch, Siman Tov Reish Nun Aleph, Sif Yud Daled, Kosev.
Okay, so and he brings the Shulchan Aruch, where is written Lo Yosef Acher Al Daled Minam Mishum Bal Tosif.
Right. You're not supposed to, the Shulchan Aruch says you're not supposed to add on another min like you want to put a rose in there with your hadassah. A nice red rose, nice pink rose looks good with your hadassah. No, you're over baltosim. Not to add. Don't add to the mitzvah.
The Baal Tosif is the name of the prohibition of adding a min.
That's right. Correct.
But we're not talking about adding a min. We're talking about engraving.
Okay, hold on. We'll see. Hold on one second.
The kasav habar hetiv hatsuva es halulav bitzava yaruk kedei she yeh nir'eh lach. It's written, Abar Hativ is a book.
Correct. That's right. That's a commentary on Shulchan Aruch. Right. Kasha Beber Hativ, that commentary on the Shulchan Aruch.
Okay, so it's written in the Habar Hativ. Hatsuva, I don't know what Hatsuva is.
That coloring, to make it coloring on the lulav.
Coloring the lulav with the color green
Yes, that's right.
in order that it should be seen. What's lach?
It should appear moist. He wants to, what about putting a green type of a color onto the esrog on the lulav, excuse me, let him put a green coloring on the lulav in order that it should look fresh.
Ein bo mishum bal tosif. So that's not allowed because of bal tosif. Even though you're not adding them in, you're just altering the lulav. Oh, isak, the lidon, im hayu chasar. Furthermore, it's written that we need to judge if it is lacking.
Right. That's another thing. First thing is about putting coloring on the lulav, right? There's not any problem about Tosef with that. That's okay. If you want to add some green coloring to the lulav to make it look fresh, that's okay. Also, he wrote in order to, in the case of judging the case, if it's considered to be chassid. With the engraving, there was a bit of the esrog that was removed. So I can make it chassid.
Wait, I'm confused. I thought we said it was not okay. Ein bo
Yeah.
Ein bo mishum bal tosif. I thought that meant you cannot put the color on it.
No, there's no Baal Tosef in this. I mean, it's okay.
Oh, it's not forbidden because of Baal Tosif. I see. Okay, so but we have to ask if it's lacking. The afal p she'eno nir'eh chaser. And even though we don't see that it's lacking, makom yesh livdok hetiv mischas likasav im naaseh chaser. And nevertheless, there is livdok. I forgot what livdok means.
You check. You should check to see if it's in fact lacking.
You should check well because of that which is written, if it is lacking.
Right. So there you have this other case. The other thing, even though it doesn't look like it's meaning it was engraved, so it doesn't look like it's lacking anything. Makom makom yesh livdok. You have to check very well because of the writing if it's in fact made lacking.
Od kasav lidod. I'm sorry, yesh b'zeh mishum chatzitza. Furthermore, it is written that you must judge if there is in it chatzitza. Chatzitza is a divider.
Yeah, some foreign material which is going to cause a division, interpolation, a barrier between the esrog.
V'havi sham shebeshavah shulchan aruch. And there is something in the Shulchan Aruch, Pasak Hamatzirin B'Shofar Tzoros B'Minei Tzvaonin Kidei lin oso. That it says, what's this word? Ha mitzirin.
Hamitrin are like illustrations.
Illustrations. In on a shofar, what is tzoros?
Right. So right, he illustrates on the shofar with illustrations of mini tzavayim through different colors.
In order to linoso. What's linoso?
In order to beautify it.
Lo yafeh ham osim. It's not beautiful to do this.
It's not nice what they're doing. They're not doing something which is nice.
The Rambam,
This is the Ramah.
the Ramah, Kasav Aval Mutar Lechat Kuk Bishofar Atzmo Tzoros Kedei Lin Oso. the Ramah writes that it is permissible to apply color. No,
This is lachokik is to engrave.
to engrave a shofar itself with color in order
Right.
in
No,
order
no, no. Some illustrations, to engrave illustration.
illustration, to engrave the shofar itself with illustrations in order to linoso, is to beautify it.
Exactly. Very good.
Because of Halev Chaim. It's written in the book called the Lev Chaim. Shetam hu mishum chatzitza ulechein asor lechasuv alehem. That the reason it is because of a division, and therefore it's forbidden to write on them.
That's by the shofar.
Meaning the
The shofar makes it. And the shofar, the illustrations with coloring makes a katsitsa, and therefore you shouldn't do that.
Aval lechakuk mutar. But engraving is permitted.
Right.
So it's what? It's the coloring that's the chatzitza.
Yes, that's right.
Ella shiv nadon didan kevan delo kasav b'chol ha esrog ki im b'miktaso, but shevenidon
Nido dinan. In the case that we are judging,
our case that we're judging, since it is not written in all the esrogs, in every esrog, because
in the whole, since the writing of the Father's name was not written over the whole entire esrog.
over all the esrog, what's b'mekit saso?
The writing on it wasn't written on the whole of the shofar, rather only on a portion, mixtaso, on a portion of it.
Benishar makom chalak le'o chazo biado mimakom ha-chalak shapir dami. And the leftover Nishar Makom, the leftover place
Right, and there was left right, there was left over a place, halak, meaning untouched.
What is L'ocha zo?
To hold it there, that he could hold it there.
In his hand, from the place of the chalak, the part.
And the part which is unengraved.
Saper dami means it's appropriate.
It's okay. It's okay. It's therefore, since part of the esrog was left unengraved, and you can hold on to it on that place, then it'll be okay.
And then this is end quote. Adkan
That's right.
something.
Okay. Let's take a short break, okay, and then we'll come back and continue. If there's a couple of minute break, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Okay, so hold on, and we'll be coming back soon.
All right. Let's see.